Good day everyone! Welcome to another vlog. Vlog number 4. And this time we're going to do another unboxing. And again, napadalas ang ating pagbili sa Lazada. And this time, hindi ko naman to binili. Ito ay binili ng tatay ko for his online class. Ayan, kasi medyo mahina yung built-in or mababa yung quality ng kanyang webcam sa kanyang laptop. So, bumili siya ng kanyang sariling webcam. Nung July 15, ito yun, July 15, 2020, nag-sale sa Lazada, we took the opportunity to buy equipment that we will use in our online class or online teaching. So, today, I'm going to unbox yung isa sa mga na-order namin at kahapon nang dumating, which is this webcam. Maliit lang. So, this is a plug-and-play webcam and we're going to unbox this. Na dumating lang siya kahapon. Actually, nabuksan na siya ni Papa and hindi pa namin na-try gamitin sa laptop or sa laptop niya. So, since wala siya ngayon because he's going to do something, ako na lang muna ang mag-review or mag-i-install nito sa laptop ko and I will try kung maganda ba yung quality niya and madali ba siya talagang i-install or gamitin. Okay, so we're going to do the unboxing first and then we're going to install it in my laptop. So we will see the difference between my webcam and this webcam. So tingnan natin. Thank you! Before we proceed to this unboxing, please hit the subscribe button, the notification bell icon in order for you to be updated whenever I uploaded new content. Now on to our video. Cue the music. So we have this, ayan. So if you can observe, meron tayong audio jack at meron tayong USB cord. So this is just a plug and play, walang kailangang install daw na software for this webcam. So I think we can just simply plug it in and then proceed to the video. Okay, so test natin. So yan, nakabit ko na ang ating webcam, USB webcam and my laptop webcam. So, nakita niyo yung difference ni USB webcam and ni laptop webcam. Now, yung USB webcam na binili ko sa Lazada or binili ni Papa sa Lazada is also may built-in audio or microphone. So, currently I'm using the USB webcam audio or mic. So, if you can hear me loud and clear, then that's okay. And I don't know kung hindi ko pa siya naririnig pag nag-play tayo mamaya or kung malinaw ba or maganda ba yung ating webcam. So, ganun lang siya. Plug and play lang siya and yeah. Compare the two. What is better? Laptop webcam ba or yung USB webcam? And again, I'm using the audio of the USB webcam. If it is good audio, yeah. Before you buy anything sa Lazada, please always check the review first before buying. Okay, and syempre, sinuwerte lang kami na July 15 yung half a year sale nila or something like that, yung sale ng Lazada. Ayan, so if you want to buy, so ayan, so maraming plug and play webcam sa Lazada. Pick the best or pick what is practical to you. Yeah, so malinaw naman siya and you can see hindi siya nagkakaroon ng delay, walang delay. Ayan o, sabay lang kaming ni laptop webcam. Diba? Ganon. So, dalawang Teacher Justin saying, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy our unboxing and our review on this webcam. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you have comments, questions, recommendations, comment in our comment section below. Share this video and subscribe. And for more videos like this, please go to my channel
teacher, Justin.
Goodbye, God bless, and stay safe. See you on my next video. Peace.